So hello everybody and welcome to Demfest. Today we are here at M. de Koning Audi in Capelle aan de IJssel, and this is the car for today. We have the Audi E-TRON GT. It's a very cool car. Look at these beautiful lights, the low sporty design. It's really cool, and we're going to take a drive with this car, a POV drive. So enjoy the drive.
Nice. So we have a very nice camera in the front as well as in the back as well as in the side. We have a 360 camera right here, which is nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
If you can go to the right and take the right, the second right as well, then I can already go out for the flyby shots.
Yeah, that's okay. So Robin, tell us something about this amazing vehicle.
Yeah, so this is the Audi E-TRON GT with a 93 kilowatt hour battery pack, and it has a top speed of 245 kilometers an hour and a 0 to 100 sprint in 4.1 seconds. And that's really fast. That's really fast. All right, this car is from 2022 and it's not. It also sounds.
It shifted, but it shifted gears.
But it also sounds like some sort of engine went on.
All right, so we
cool.
just did a couple of Volkswagen models, but this is a lot quicker.
Yeah, because it has 476 horsepower, and that's really a lot. And it also has 630 newton meters of torque. So yeah, it does really pull.
And we have very nice pedals, which you can use for regenerative braking.
Yeah, it does. Little acceleration and then drop me off.
Oh my god!
Damn! You can definitely feel it.
Oh, but I love that it just shifts back.
Yeah, it's cool.
It shifts to first really gear cool. And then just into the... Oh damn, this is really fast. Okay, Robin, let's make some very nice POV, man.
Don't brake too hard, because otherwise my camera falls off.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
This is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah? Alright, it is a bit crowded with traffic here, but I guess God damn it, this is quick! Oh my god! Oh, wow! So I'm actually not sure about the power of this car. I think Robin's going to tell you in a few seconds. But it is a lot. I think it's around 500 in terms of the feeling. Oh, but I do love this car already. I'm a huge Audi fan, but this is nice. And it also looks so cool. And this is actually the car from Tony Stark in the last Avengers film, Avengers Endgame. And I can understand why. I mean, look at the screen, look at the roof as well. It's so futuristic. And it's so damn fast. Cool. Okay, guys. Normally, I would like to be a bit more specific about cars and be professional, but this car really, yeah, it really makes you sort of emotional, or you have emotional feeling with the car, and that's actually really special for an electric car. So I guess well done, Audi, for making this car extremely fun. Oh my god. I wonder what the new price is of this car, because I really want it. And this screen is also really nice, so you have the view button, you can adjust everything. Damn. Ho 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 ho. So, fun fact about this car, it has a battery pack that has twice as much voltage as a Tesla, because this is a 800 volt pack, which is handy if you want to charge it or just ask a lot of power from it. So once again, press the throttle, oh, and it shifts back, and oh my god, this is so quick. I wonder what the 0 to 60 says for this car. But right now we are going to get Robin into the car again. Okay, so, but I must confess something. I'm in love with this car because it is damn fucking fast.
Yeah, it is. It is.
It's dude, it's amazing. So Rob, but tell some more about this amazing amazeballs.
Yeah, so the car is laden with some, I think it's real carbon fiber. It's actually really nice.
Carbon fiber, carbon fiber,
Carbon fiber.
carbon fiber.
And here we have the E-TRON badge. Also we have the infotainment screen right here with everything you need right here, and that's really cool. We also have the beautiful dashboard with the digital dashboard and the digital gauges.
Yeah.
So it's really nice. It has a RS steering wheel Yeah, I love it. I know Nikki loves it too. With the flat bottom, it's really, really nice. There are some real buttons over here for drive
Which is
select.
also nice, because I just mentioned that I really didn't like that all these buttons were just touchscreens nowadays.
Yeah, but this is all
This
with
is nice.
buttons.
This is a nice combination.
Yeah, it definitely does. And that's pretty much it. It's a really good quality car. It's all
Good quality.
yeah, good quality. Yeah, it's soft. Everything is soft or
Yeah.
leather. So that's really nice. Yeah, can't say anything more about it. It's such a good car, and definitely for daily use. And you want to drive some sort of performance or GT car, then this is the car to get, because this car also has back seats. It is electric,
Yeah.
so you don't wake up all the neighbors. It's all very, very nice.
Okay, well, Robin decided that it's time to end tonight's show.
Yeah, it's all done. So guys, thanks for watching.
So guys, on that bombshell, it's time to end tonight's show. Thanks for watching, and Robin is going to give you the groots.
The Grooches.
The
Bye.
The groots.
Ciao.
Ciao.